I'm Alex.
And I'm Emily. Yes. If you meet new people, they could show you things they do and you could catch on. Like if they did a sport, maybe you could do the sport with them and you could learn different things from different people.
Maybe when I was 7, I moved from the ACT to here and I had to completely change schools. None of my friends were moving to Queensland, and I was like, oh, what am I going to do? I actually literally know no one and I know nothing about this area. Yeah, I got paired up with 2 friends. Their names were Caden and George. Around last year, one of them moved to another school.
So his best friend Caden had moved away, and I didn't have many friends, so Miss Bidak paired us together.
She's a good friend and it's really funny. I would say generally just go up and say, hey, how you going? Do you want to hang out sometime? And things are kind of like that.
1800. 5, 5, 1800.